The TENS Unit Muscle Stimulator offers a comprehensive kit that includes everything needed for effective muscle therapy, such as various sized electrode pads and a convenient travel case. This versatile device is designed to alleviate pain and stimulate muscles across different body parts, including the neck, back, and legs, making it ideal for addressing a wide range of muscle-related issues. You can achieve relief from sciatica and other body pains comfortably at home with this portable massager, which is user-friendly and effective in reducing discomfort from arthritis or sports injuries. With 24 modes and 20 intensity levels, the EMS Muscle Stimulator provides customizable relaxation and pain management, allowing the use of up to 4 pads simultaneously for optimal results. The device's internal rechargeable battery is highly efficient, offering up to 1 month of daily use from a single 2-hour charge, ensuring continuous availability for muscle stimulation needs. Manufactured by Neocarbon, this TENS machine is a reliable companion for nerve and muscle pain relief, enabling users to easily connect the cables and pads for consistent and effective therapy.